Hi guys, we are in the city of Owerri. Yes, guys, this is one of the cities that is most talked about, and a lot of things to talk about Owerri. I'm excited to be here again after I think 2 months or 3 months ago. Yes, we just came in from Enugu now, so and it's quite an interesting journey coming. And since the Okigwe road has been fixed, that has been my best route to Owerri. I can't remember when last I even tried to use the Mbakwe axis, even though I know they said there is a blockade now, so you have to go through the Mbakwe axis to locate Owerri Mbakwe airport axis. So because of the ongoing construction work along the Mbakwe road, so all things good. The Okigwe road still serving us very well and still very, very neat, So that is where we used to Owerri. So we are currently just entering Owerri and we are just driving along the Okigwe road in Owerri. So if you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do what to click on the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. So Okigwe road, here we are, and this is the first flyover bridge you'll be seeing in Owerri when you come in from Okigwe road. One thing still beats my imagination: cars don't still use this flyover. I know that a lot of complaints about it not being strong and all of that, but I think the current administration that are coming, either they strengthen it, find something to resolve the whole problem so that people can get to use this flyover, because the money wasted on this flyover is quite very, very huge. And I don't just think abandoning it like that, just leaving it like this, is not a better way to go. So I don't know, but I think either they are bringing it down or they are strengthening the flyover so the people can see to use and decongest traffic around this axis as well. So I think that's just my humble opinion, but my people of Owerri can also let me know what you think about it. So literally, most of the flyovers in Owerri are not in use, and I think that is not good at all, because the resources of the common masses is what is used to erect all of these flyover. So, but interesting to visit again. It is called Yoringo Capital for a reason, even though they said they are transporting the headquarters now to somewhere else. But we'll be checking it out, looking at how the town is at night and all of that, and see how activities is in this thriving economy of Nigeria. Let's see if people still go out to enjoy themselves. One significant thing that people know about Owerri is the fact that yes, it's a town of enjoyment. People travel all the way down to Owerri just to enjoy themselves and have fun within themselves. So that is quite very cool. And it's also known for its numerous hotel. You can walk through an entire street and all you see is hotel. So these are some of the things that the town is known for, but amidst that, the enjoyment part of it is what we come for. So guys, interesting to see. So Okigwe road, here we are. Currently we'll be approaching the traffic light leading to imsu, where you can also use to navigate back to Owerri Road and all of that. So but we'll be approaching that traffic light very soon. So the interesting thing about Owerri is that I think it's one of the easiest town to navigate through. Even if you're a first timer in Owerri, I don't think you can get lost. The town is not so big, it's not so small, and the roads are very straightforward. This is Okigwe road, you have the Mbakwe road, you have the eboh road, then you have the Owerri road. So these are just the connecting road, the Onitsha road. So they are very straight roads. So this road we are currently riding, like I said earlier, is Okigwe road. So this road will take you straight down to Control, leading you to Port Harcourt Express. And getting to Control is like going to the heart of the town. So you can easily navigate to, to Onitsha Road. Getting to warehouse before Control, you can navigate to Owerri Road. So, and getting to that warehouse as well, you can also navigate from there to eboh Road. So quite very easy to navigate around the town. It's very, very, very straightforward. So, and along this Okigwe road leading to warehouse is where the government house is also situated in Owerri. Though there are a lot of expansion going on in Owerri currently. When you look at the Port Harcourt Express, a lot of expansion is tilting towards that side. When you look at the eboh Road axis as well, a lot of expansion is tilting towards that side. The Okigwe Road as well is also very much expanding, as well as the Mbakwe Road. So expansion is really going on in that side, and some estates are springing up also in that axis. One question I will put to my people viewing, so you can also share your idea with me: do you think investing in hospitality in Owerri considering what the environment looks like currently, it's a good idea. So let me have your thoughts in the comment section. So if you are still seeing this video and you enjoy content like this and you are not yet a subscriber, I don't really know what you are waiting for. Do what to hit on the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you can be part of our big family. And for returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. Like I said, to our left, it's the government house where you have the Rock View Hotel. Very, very prominent hotel. When you are coming driving, you must see the Rock View Hotel signboard on top of that story building. So the government house is just by our right hand side. So there used to be a road there that leads you out as if you are going towards FMC, but I don't know if it has been blocked now. The last time I checked, it was blocked. I don't know if it was reopened. So that's where the government house is. As for as many of you who have been following our channel, you'll be aware that they are doing a flyover project in control, which we have given you guys back-to-back update about it. So we dropped an update recently about the project in September this month. So if you have not seen it, there will be a link in the description box where you can go check out how far the flyover has gone. So do want to leave us with your thoughts in the comment section. So we are currently at warehouse now. So from this warehouse, like I said earlier, to your right takes you straight down to Olu. And the FMC, the teaching hospital, is also located just along that road for many of you who are coming for any medical case. And straight down up is Control. Well, because of the work going on there, so I'm going to be navigating through New Owerri, taking us into Port Harcourt Express. So this is the popular Freedom Square in Owerri, and the Cabinet House and a few other offices are located just around here. There used to be a very beautiful sculpture situated around this particular axis. They've all been demolished. I don't know why. I didn't get to experience them before they were brought down, so quite sad. So straight takes you into Owerri Road. Right now we are navigating into New Owerri to navigate ourselves down to Port Harcourt Express. So we'll be coming back to Owerri Road just to give you guys a glimpse of what the Owerri Road looks like. Then probably get to the airport and just show you guys a glimpse of what the Owerri Airport looks like currently. So I think it's one of the most busiest airports, if I must say. So people fly in and out of Owerri Airport very, very, very well. So another thing about Owerri that I will not fail to mention in this video is that I was thinking that, or hoping that the roads will be better this time that I'm coming, but no, the case is totally different. I don't know if it's the rainy season that is causing it or something, though I know the road has been very, very bad. I was hoping that it has been fixed. So you can see that there are lots and lots of potholes, especially around this New Owerri. You really have a very clean drive around Owerri without navigating through several potholes. It's not good. So I think you should share this video. Let relevant authorities get to see it. I think city beautification should be one thing they should put on their agenda, to see how to upgrade the roads around the city center, and to consider the fact that it's called New Owerri. So I think the roads should be much, much better than what it is like this. So that is just my humble opinion. So I just feel the roads should be upgraded. So very soon we'll be navigating ourselves to Port Harcourt Express to give you guys a glimpse of what Port Harcourt Express looks like before we find our way down to Owerri Road, also to just give you guys a glimpse of that environment. So guys, like I said earlier, the roads are terrible around Owerri. So when you are coming, prepare that your shock will stay alive with you. So quite interesting. But definitely one thing I know about Owerri for sure is that I usually enjoy my stay when I'm here, especially because of their nightlife. A lot of sitter spots you can hang out, catch some fun, and just enjoy yourself around Owerri. So Owerri is interesting to stay. So just interested to visit, enjoy your money, and go back basically. So I think that is just it. So a lot of other projects done in the city is being highlighted. Some persons highlighted it on our page for the flyover project we did. So we'll sure take our time to look at them and pay them a visit and bring you guys all of those updates regarding those projects. So we are currently along Owerri Road now. This is Naza Junction, taking you to Okopoli. I hope I got that right. And Akachi is not also very far from here, and the famous this thing that we did is also around here, the amusement park. So this is the road leading to the Sam Mbakwe International Cargo Airport. So let's just show you guys a bit of how the airport community looks like before we bring this video to an end. So if you are still following us till now and you enjoy this kind of content and you would love to see more of this kind of content, do well to click on the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. Really do appreciate your love for our channel. So we've done all the normal protocols when you are entering the airport, and their entry fee is 300 Naira. But the funny thing about this airport is that they also have a fee you need to pay inside, a timer they are going to give you for how long you are going to stay at the airport and all of that. But this is just how the airport environment looks like. Nothing has changed, nothing major has changed. Still looking how it is, so nothing major has changed. And you can see that the airport is a bit very dull today, but nevertheless the economy is telling on everybody. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We look forward to your thoughts in the comment section. Let's know what you think about Owerri in general and what you think about the airport. So we'll be looking forward to catching you guys in our next video. Bye.